No, Elmo, there's actually another type of takeoff. It's called the sliding J-loop. This is where the snake has continuous motion of the entire body during takeoff, and there is no posterior static anchor.
Oh, what does that look like?
The snake lowers the front part of its body and makes a small loop, and then immediately accelerates up, and away from the branch without pausing at the bottom of the loop. It's very similar to the running jump we see in a lot of mammals.
How is that different from an anchor J-loop?
The vertical loop is smaller, and greater percentage of the body remains on the branch. Also, the total duration of takeoff is shorter, but this takeoff is way less common.
Wow, flying snakes are so neat! Anchor takeoffs, sliding takeoffs? Who would have thought they could ever fly?
Well, Elmo, you have to remember, these two takeoffs aren't the only way that snakes can get out of trees.
They're not? You lied to me?
No, Elmo, we didn't lie. This type of snake also exhibits non-loop takeoff as well. In a dive, the snakes will move anterior of the body in a continual lateral wave along and then just drop off the branch. During the fall, there's no preliminary movement of the body and the snake simply releases from the branch and falls.
Wow, that's incredible!
Not so much, Elmo. Those modes of takeoff are way boring.
Doesn't seem like that.
Well, with the J-loop takeoffs... With the J-loop takeoff, the snakes can reach higher, range further, and attain greater speeds. It's way cooler for the snakes, and it's way cooler for us to watch.
Way cool!
Okay, everyone, let's venture back to Sesame Street to teach Oscar, Big Bird, and Cookie Monster, and all our other friends about what we've seen today.
Yay!
Hello everyone, we just had the most wonderful adventure in Singapore learning about the flying snake. Wasn't it great, Elmo?
Flying snakes! Flying snakes! Flying snakes!
Elmo, what was the most fun thing you learned about these snakes?
Everything!
Well, how about we share with our friends at home?
No, I don't want them to know. Only I saw them.
Well, Elmo, sharing is caring. Be nice.
Okay. Flying snakes are so neat. Their bodies look like it would make it hard for them to fly because they don't have wings like Big Bird or any other kinds of bird with arm or legs that move like me and you. But they can still do it.
Tell them how.
They do J-loops and take off.
Ah!
Anchor J-loops, they like the best. And the sliding ones are cool too. They can also dive and fall, but that's not as cool because the J-loops help them to fly far and fast and high, really high. That way they can escape bigger animals who want to eat them. And they can find more variety of food they want to eat, and they can move super easily.
Wow, it sounds like you learned a lot, Elmo.
Excuse you, I'm not finished.
Oh, sorry. Please continue.
No other animal can fly like a gliding snake. Not Big Bird, not your mom, not your dad, and not your sister or your brother or your dog. Their flying behavior is evolutionarily unique, which is why it's so cool.
Thank you for joining us. Don't forget to tune in to Sesame Street tomorrow as we explore our other favorite animals. Have a wonderful day.
Today's episode was brought to you by the letter J.
groping his crotch, groping his crotch, groping his crotch.